good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Now this video is going to be pretty short, hopefully pretty sweet. I'm not gonna hold up too much of y'all time, man. I honestly only made this video to thank all of my subscribers for getting me over the 900 subscriber mark, man. It's been an amazing 11 months because I had to scroll back and see how long I've actually been doing YouTube, and I just started it in January. So I mean, yeah, so, you know, 12 months, it says 11 months, I don't know, maybe, I don't know when I started, but it says 11 months was my first video, reintroducing myself to the platform. So I wanted to thank you guys, so I had to find a way to thank you. I had to make a video. So I'm at like 902, 903 subscribers at this point. The goal has always been 1,000 in a year. I'm almost there, man. 11 months, I got 900. I don't know if I'll get 1,000 in the year, but I appreciate all of you guys, man. That's pretty much all I wanted to say on this video. But since I got you guys here, I am going to open something that came today. I've worn this brand a couple times in a couple of my videos, but since it came in today, I might as well bring it to the channel. And I also, before we go any further, if any of you guys are into supporting up and coming businesses, these young ladies, from my hometown of Warren, Ohio, back home, started a business, a clothing brand, Challenge Society. Dope. They don't just have hoodies, they got crew necks, they got t-shirts, they got all types of women's apparel. My girl Lauren and my girl Dominique started this brand, and I'll put their Instagram down in the description box below, man. I had to support. They didn't ask me to do this. I don't even know if they know I have a YouTube channel. So I'm just doing this straight off the strength, straight off the love. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Keep grinding. Keep grinding. Y'all gonna make it to the top. So anyway, Challenge Society, go to their Instagram. I think they're running a special right now too. So tell them I sent you. But anyway, let's get into this unboxing. All right, y'all. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna unwrap this bag right here. As you can see, this is from Uniqlo. It's based out of New York City, I believe. And I've worn different pieces from them before on the channel, but I think the stuff is dope. They always have some huge sale and discount on their things. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Right here, first piece, you got the Sesame Street. Now what I didn't say is, for those of y'all that don't know, Kaws is a clothing brand, is a I don't know if it's high-end or whatever, but what a lot of us sneakerheads know Kaws for is a collaboration with the Fours, the Kaws 4, and they're extremely expensive, they're extremely hype sneaker. But they collabed up with Uniqlo and Sesame Street and came out with some really dope stuff. I'm sure you've seen other YouTubers wearing the Bert and Ernie and all those different types of pieces like that, but this is the black crew neck, and you got Cookie Monster, Elmo, and Big Bird on this joint right here, size medium, the black. And I think I got one other thing. Oh yeah, and this is I like this, man. I really had to they had a black one like this too. Now this, if you know the Kaws brand, they're known for the X's and stuff like that. Now on the front, it just got it's a gray crew neck with the black X's on the front. Really dope, really simple. And on the back, it has the whole cast of characters on the back. I'm not gonna go through everybody that's on there, but as you can see, as a design, it has all the X's through the eyeballs. Also size medium for the personal. So I just wanted to bring that to the channel, man. It's really short and sweet, like I said, man. All I wanted y'all to do is go to Challenge Society, go to their Instagram page, check out their pieces, man. Let them know that you rocking with them. Hey, see if there's anything you like. Let them know that I sent you, Bobby Sneaker World. And thank y'all, man, for 900 subs in 11 months, man. It's been a great journey. I'm gonna be doing another video tomorrow. I think I'm going to do my top 5 pickups of the year, or this 11 months that I've been doing it. So I'm probably gonna do a video like that or something like that tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that. So in order to see it, make sure y'all have y'all notification bells hit. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. We rocking, man. We on our way to 1,000 subscribers. We almost there. Appreciate y'all for watching another one of my videos, man. I'm out of here. Over here.